Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krutika and you're watching Unstoppable Girl. So today we're making mug cakes and without microwave. This is the requested video I got from my subscriber, so here it is. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm taking a mug, obviously it is a mug cake. Now adding maida to it, powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Here I am making mug cake of chocolate flavor, that's why I am adding cocoa powder. Now taking butter, you can use ghee also. Milk for consistent batter. And of course baking powder for baking this mug cake. For flavor I am using vanilla essence, you can use chocolate essence or a variety of essence available in market. And just giving a mix. Yes, it's that simple. So just make a lump-free mixture as you can see on the screen. This is how. You can add the choco chips or dairy milk in this batter also. It's totally optional and depend on your choice. So just give a good mix. Now I'm taking pressure cooker and removing the lid and the pressure ring which is exist in that, and also the vessel, so that it can get a vacuum surface to be cooked properly. Here I am taking a stand. You can use also a bowl, that small bowl, and for the placement of our mug to be straight, otherwise it will be a little slant. So I am just placing in the middle and covering with the lid and putting on the flame, medium flames for 20 minutes. Now I'm opening after 20 minutes. It's hot. So don't try to touch it with your bare hands. Just use any knife or toothpick to check whether it is cooked. If not, just cook it for little more, 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, the knife is clear and clean. So I'll just remove the mug as I'm using a kitchen towel for this as it is hot. The mug aside and letting cool it down for a while. Now it's cooled down. After 5 minutes I'll just sprinkle out some of the powdered sugar with the help of strainer. You can use chocolate ganache or chocolate syrup also over here as per your choice. And yeah, it's done. Let's taste it now. This one mug cake is not enough for me and for my family, so I have baked 4 more. But the little version of that mug cake only. Look at that, how beautiful it is and yummy too. So if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want more recipes, click on the screen or I button. Next time, bye bye.